Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you're going to add an animation to a text in CapCut. So in order to do this, it's quite easy, so let's just immediately jump into the tutorial. So literally all you need to do is open the CapCut app, and once you have done that, you want to click on create new project, and you first of all need to have some B-roll footage you want to add text to. So I'm just going to click this one and then click on add. So we now have this B-roll footage, and now in order to create text, all you need to do is click on text, add text. And now you can type in whatever you want. For example, that's, oh my god, just like this, that's facts yay. Then you can create a style. Of course, we want to make it look a little bit nicer, maybe yellow. And then, in order to actually add an animation, you literally need to go two tabs to the right. So we have effects and then animation, where you want to click on. And then, in order to make a nice animation, what I would recommend doing is clicking on in, where you're at right now at default. And for example, we want to make this the beginning of our animation. Just like this. We want to make it maybe like 1 second long. And then you want to click on out, because you want to add that same animation, but then for the outro. So you want to find that same animation we just added. So you want to click on in again, because I really don't know which one we did. Type 2 it's called. So you want to find type 2 again. Let me quickly find it. We have it right here, type 2, and then you want to make sure to have it the same length so it looks smooth. And if now click on the check mark, we can see we now have this nice little animation for our text. As you guys can see, and that's how you can add an animation to your text over in CapCut. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.